2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, panic alarm, 8-way power driver seat, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.